system can help you make an appointment to lessen time consuming. It is also helpful to track the people who will take the swabbing. The website will show you the swab results easily. The website is part of healthcare provider about people who need to be tested for COVID-19. Swab testing is highly recommended if you have COVID-19 symptoms or were recently exposed to someone who tested positive for the virus. Swab testing before day 5 is likely to be too soon to indicate if you have developed or will develop an infection. Health experts' COVID-19 tests only tell you what your status is for that time. As for example, you are exposed to the virus a few hours ago before testing, but haven't reached the viral level that can be detected, then the results would turn to negative. If you test positive, you must conduct a self-isolation. Homepage. About. Contact us. Create an account as first user. Login account as user. Forgot password. User dashboard. Request an appointment. Create a second account as a user. Login as admin. Dashboard. Scheduling. Appointment. Reschedule for patient appointment. Results are managed by admin. Log in again as a user. Checking COVID test results as a user. Download result file.